So how do you adjust your volume on your Vizio TV without a remote? So basically what you have to do is to find the physical button, so the physical power button, and for me it's down below here under the logo, and click and hold on it until you can release after a couple of seconds, and you will be able to see the menu here, as you can see. And to navigate, and you want to be able to turn the volume up as an example, just click on it a couple of times until you get to volume plus here. So now to be able to turn the volume up, just click and hold on the volume plus button. So don't release, click and hold and release until you find the perfect volume for you. And now if you want to turn down the volume instead, just click one time again on the power button and then click and hold on it now until you find the perfect balance for your volume here. You can see it's going down now. And if you want to be able to come back to volume plus again, click a couple of times until you get to volume plus. Oops, I clicked too much. But yeah, basically, as you can see, that is exactly how to actually adjust your volume on your Vizio TV without a remote.